Hey everybody, there are three very easy SEO settings that a lot of beginners miss when they launch their WordPress site. So let's take a few minutes and go through them. This is going to be really quick. Okay, number one, go to in your admin area, go to settings and reading and take a look at this checkbox right here. It's your search engine visibility. A lot of people click this to discourage search engines from indexing their site while they're working on it. So just remember when you launch to uncheck that and then save your changes. Number two, go to your Rank Math dashboard and scroll down and make sure that you have sitemap checked on. This will, Rank Math will make a sitemap for you. All right, so click on settings. And here's the link to it right here. It's an XML file. This is what you submit to Google Search Console so that it will crawl your site. All the robots will crawl your site and you'll get found in search. Number three is titles and meta. If you click on titles and meta over here in the menu bar and then click on homepage, you will see if your homepage has a SEO description, a SEO title, and metadata. Now, my settings right here tell me that because my front page is set up as a static page, it says just to click here, just follow the instructions, and I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to my home page. I'm in the editing area of my home page, and I'm going to click on the rank math box here. And first of all, I'm going to check, be sure you have focus keywords because yes, you can optimize your homepage as well as a blog post. So I have several keywords that I want people to find my homepage and I want to rank for these. And I'm going to click on edit snippet and I have a title for my page and it's using my primary keyword. Permalink, you want to leave that alone because you want them to go to home or index. That's the normal home page for every site. So just leave that alone and then put in an optimized description of what people will find when they come to your WordPress site. Just like with articles, when we optimize them, it's the same thing. So I have my primary keyword in my description, and that got me up to an 80 out of 100. If I scroll down and look at some of the other things that I'm missing, my content could probably be longer, but it is a homepage, it's not an article. And the additional errors are the keyword density. Um, they want it to, my focus keyword to appear more. I think with only 150 words, if I keep putting that keyword in a few more times, it's going to make it keyword stuffing. So I'm gonna skip that. And they also take off points if you don't use their content AI to optimize the page. I don't need to do that. So I'm going to save this and I'm hoping that this is going to help me get found in search.